He eats too much junk food. She talks while eating. She doesn't wash her hands. He watches too much TV. She bites her nails. She goes to bed very late. He throws garbage on the ground. He fights with others. He doesn't brush his teeth. He lies to his friends. She doesn't clean her room. He uses the phone too much. She wasted water. He shouts at others. She doesn't finish her homework. He teases his classmates. She doesn't eat vegetables. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more English videos.